Good morning everyone. I am Vijayalakshmi Dodmani. I am studying in BSc first semester CBZ combination in Sri Siddheshwar Government First Grade College, Nargund. Today I will discuss about my chemistry assignment topic, that is the effect of temperature, molecular weight, size, shape and intermolecular forces. So first we will see about the contents, that are temperatures, molecular weight, molecular size, molecular shape and intermolecular forces. Then we will see about the firstly effect of temperature, that is. So first we will see about what is temperature. The temperature is effects of a matter by changing its state, the rate of a chemical reaction and density. When the temperature increases, viscosity of liquid decreases because the molecules gain a kinetic energy and move faster and overcome intermolecular forces easily. When temperatures decreases, viscosity increases, become a liquids thicker like a honey in water. And the example is hot oil flows faster than cold oil because it's having a lower viscosity at higher temperature. Then the next one is effect of molecular weight. As the molecular weight increases, viscosity generally decreases because the sum of atomic masses of all atoms in a molecule. Then, however, a molecule moves slowly and experiences greater intermolecular attraction, and its example is glycerol is more viscous than water because it have a high molecular weight. Then the next one is effect of a molecular size. It is a larger molecules, great surface area, then more intermolecular contact at higher viscosity because the smaller molecules less contact at lower viscosity. For its example is long chain hydrocarbons are more viscous than short chain hydrocarbons because the hydrocarbons are like heavy oils. Then the next one is effect of a molecular shape. It's having a long chain like a molecule causes at high viscosity because they get entangled and resist flow as a spherical or compact. Molecules have a low viscosity because they roll or move easily. For example, N-hexane is a more viscous than isohexanes. N-hexane have a straight chain and isohexane have a branched chain. Then the next one is the effect of intermolecular forces. The effect of intermolecular forces are strong intermolecular forces at high viscosity because the molecules stick together and resist flow. The types of forces increasing in viscosity, they are hydrogen bonding, dipole-dipole interaction and van der Waals forces. And the intermolecular forces example is glycerol and water greater than alcohol greater than ether. As hydrogen bonding decreases, viscosity also decreases. And we will see about the first one is hydrogen bonding. What is hydrogen bonding? A weak covalent bond between a hydrogen and more electronegative atoms such as O, N, S, F, etc. is called a hydrogen bonding. The interaction between a hydrogen and a lone pair of a more electronegative elements. The liquids with hydrogen bonding have a high boiling point. For example, hydrogen bonding in ice. Then the next one is dipole-dipole interaction. The molecules which have a permanent dipole moment attract each other by electrostatic attraction. For example, HCl, NH3 and H2O etc. The interaction are significant even at a large distance. The molecules with a zero dipole moment and have a low boiling point and melting points. The last one is van der Waals forces. Just I would like to say its definition, that is a weak short range attraction between molecules that arise from a temporary or permanent fluctuations in a electron distribution. The last one is conclusion of it in this topic, that is The conclusion that is the physical properties of a substance such as a melting point, boiling point, viscosity and solubility are fundamentally determined by a balance between the intermolecular forces that tends to hold the molecules together and the thermal energy tends to them apart. In this topic conclusion is end. Finally, this topic have a major points but I can explain its only. Thank you and one and all.